It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, engine auto stop start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, smartphone wireless charging, and turbo V6 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.